Shri Suryanand Patro, Minister of Revenue and Disaster Management, and a new assignment job to the Minister Information and Public Relation. He is a very friendly person in the IT industry. Earlier he used to handle the IT department in Government of Orissa. Mr. Shankar Agrawal, IAS, Additional Secretary IT, Government of India. And we will waiting for our guest, Mr. Savitur Prasad, Secretary IT, Government of Delhi. You know, Delhi is a huge traffic. Since it's official hour, it will find difficult to reach on time. And Mr. Siddharth Singh, hope he will join us, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. Earlier he was the Secretary IT, West Bengal. And Mr. Sanjeev Chopra, Joint Secretary, Agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. Mr. Kurian, AJ Kurian, ISS, Additional Commissioner, Municipality Corporation of Delhi. And Mr. Sanjeev Mittal, hopefully he will join us, CEO, National Institute of Small Governance. And Mr. Vipin Tyagi, Director, CDOT, Government of India. And our very good friend, Dr. Madhu Nambiar, MD and CEO, Sobha Group of Companies. And distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of War India, I like to welcome to War India IT Forum 2011. What is War India? War India is a magazine. It's established in 1999, has grown from strength to strength today. War India has a circulation of 25,000 print copies, and with the strong presence of warindia.com, carries the latest news and daily send news to the 60,000 authorized subscribers country. Today we have launched our techno-blogging site, War India, where it will be a platform for all the IT companies. They can post their blog, case studies, white paper. Is only unique kind of website in our website. Talking about today's event, we are here together to understand the latest trends and technologies and opportunities in the government business, and also to felicitate the industry performers for the performance. I must give my heartiest thanks to all guests from various government departments and PSU to take their time out to attend this IT forum. We will understand more from the panel discussion on enhancing citizen services. I expect everyone present here have a good networking with each other and create a new passage to understand the opportunity in the government business. I must also welcome Mr. Prakash Kumar. He is the heading the government department, the government division, whole vertical in the Cisco systems. I also welcome Mr. Prakash Kumar, IAS. He was earlier the Secretary IT, Government of Delhi. Thank you, sir.